Today we're cleaning my hot tub. It is the end of summer, so it's time to clean it so that it's nice and clean for the winter. I usually clean my hot tub twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. One of my favorite products for cleaning hot tubs is this Oh Yuck. It's a hot tub cleaner. So all you do is when you have your old scummy water, you add a cup of this into your hot tub and then you let the jets run for about an hour. This gets all into the jets and gets all that gunk out of it. And then you're gonna drain the water, we'll scrub the hot tub, get it nice and clean and fill it up. This is just fantastic if you have an older tub that has gunk in the pipes. It gets it all completely out. Okay, so just measure it out. So 1 cup, pour it in, and then you need to turn on your jets, okay? And let them run for 1 hour, come back, check it out. But honestly, come back in like 15 minutes and see the foam and the gunk because it's amazing. So we've used the Oh Yuck stuff, we've let the jets run for about an hour. Just a side note, like sometimes your jets shut off right at the 20-minute mark, so you might have to like set a timer and come back and restart them a few times, which is what I had to do. Anyways, there's some scum and some dirt and everything all along the tops of this. It's not super dirty because I used the Oh Yuck stuff in the spring and that was one of the first times I used it, and it honestly got so much gunk out, so I'll put like a little video of that up there of how bad it was, but it still got a lot of stuff out. And then now what we need to do is drain it, then we're gonna scrub it out, clean it top to bottom, and then we will fill it again. We've emptied the hot tub to the point of where the sub pump won't get the rest of the water, so I'm going to manually show you how to empty it, and then we're gonna bring in the shop vac. If you have a shop vac, it's so much easier, but this is a lot of water to suck out with the shop vac. So this is obviously time consuming and tedious, but I try to get all the water off of the seats first and then just suck from the bottom for the hot tub, with the shop vac. So I've got most of the extra water out. Now I'm gonna suck it up, then we're going to hose it out and then suck it up again. It's like a double dip because we gotta get all this gross dirt and everything down to the bottom. I wanna hose off the sidewalls too. I'll probably start scrubbing at that point. So. Now it's time to hose it out. Did I spray you? Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Only a little bit, it just scared the shit out of me.
Sorry, girl. So you can use some Clorox cleanup and a scrub brush to get all of your scum lines off or any dirt that's stuck in here. Then you're gonna hose it out really, really well. Make sure you rinse it. Use the shop vac again before you fill it again. You don't want to be sitting in this, even though technically a hot tub is like bromine, but that's not the same as Clorox cleanup. Getting rid of any gunk. Because usually there's kind of a water line, which is we've got going on right here. Get all of that off, and again, we're gonna rinse it. You wanna scrub all of these jets, because they get gunk and slimy as well. So I've scrubbed and rinsed everything really, really well. Now I'm just gonna suck up all of the water that would have the Clorox in it and any like little bit of dirt or anything that's sunk to the bottom, because this water is really still dirty down here. Yeah, so we're gonna suck that out and then we should be able to wipe it with a cloth and get any like specks left out of it. As you can see, it's pretty clean in here, but what I wanna do is just take a fresh cloth and like wipe down any smudges or anything that I have. I have a little bit of dirt here, and we're gonna take these screens off or these filters off and clean them because they can get really gunky, kind of like slimy and clogged up. So I need a screwdriver to remove these filters. Some of them clip off, but mine have a screw on it, so. Okay, so the hot tub is sparkling clean. Now it's time to fill it back up, and we'll add in our bromine tablets and then check the pH and just make sure everything's running smoothly. I clean my hot tub usually in the spring and in the fall, so it should be good for the winter unless we have like a rager party and there's a lot of people in it. But that's my schedule that I normally go by. Thanks for watching.